Are you a first-time buyer, or perhaps you're running out of space in that condo you bought before starting a family? Well, let me tell you something, you are gonna love this adorable rambler that we're just listing, and you're especially gonna love the price. I'm excited to share it with you. Come, let's go have a look around. Ah, the highly sought-after rambler. Convenient one-floor living does not mean that you have to sacrifice on space. This home lives large, with multiple living spaces and abundant windows. Enjoy the easy maintenance laminate floors throughout, as well as a fresh coat of paint. Kitchen has an adjacent slider out to the large covered patio. Sited on almost a quarter-acre lot, this has all the space that you need. Barbecue, entertaining, climbing a tree, and doing videos. Anyway, if that's not enough, how about the 81 walkscore? You are near everything that Federal Way has to offer. Call my team today for a private tour. Cheers!